In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel unwanted subscriptions via Rocket Money. Let's start by accessing the Rocket Money platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Rocket Money website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to begin. Now, if you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials, your email and password, to access your account. In case you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a password reset option available to help you regain access. If you're new to Rocket Money, you'll want to create an account first, which is a straightforward process that involves entering your basic information. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Rocket Money dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your finances and subscriptions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The more comfortable you are navigating, the easier it'll be to manage your subscriptions. Next, locate and click on the recurring section in the dashboard. This section is your gateway to viewing all current subscriptions associated with your account. It's particularly useful for identifying those pesky subscriptions you might want to cancel. After clicking on recurring, look for the option that says looking to cancel a subscription. Clicking this prompts Rocket Money to guide you through the cancellation process. They designed this feature to make managing subscriptions more intuitive, so don't hesitate to use it if there's a service you're sure you want to discontinue. Click on Start a Cancellation to begin the process. Rocket Money will then present you with a list of all your active subscriptions. Use the search bar to quickly find the subscription you want to cancel. It's a helpful tool if you have multiple services listed, ensuring you don't have to scroll through a lengthy list. After you've located the unwanted subscription, follow the specific steps provided to cancel it. Rocket Money will guide you through the necessary actions on their platform, making sure you won't skip any crucial parts of the process. These steps might vary slightly depending on the service provider, so pay close attention to the instructions given. Finally, confirm the cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for canceling or to verify your decision one last time. This step is essential as it's often designed to ensure that you're completely certain about discontinuing the service. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully managed to cancel your unwanted subscriptions through Rocket Money. This can help you streamline your expenses and ensure that you're only paying for what you genuinely use and need. Keeping track of your subscriptions regularly can save you money and help manage your budget more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.